Welcome to the video, where we dive into a common problem that developers may encounter when working with .NET applications. The specific issue at hand involves a discrepancy in date formatting between .NET 4.8 and .NET 8, resulting in different outputs when displaying dates in Arabic culture. The problem arises when attempting to format a date using culture info in .NET 4.8 and .NET 8. Moving on to the solution provided for this dilemma, we can address the differences in behavior by tweaking the project configuration in a .NET 8 application. By adding a specific code snippet to the project file, we can revert back to the previous inls behavior and achieve consistency with .NET 4.8. The key to resolving this disparity lies in including the runtime host configuration option to utilize the inls system for date formatting. In summary, we have explored the nuances of date formatting in .NET applications, specifically focusing on the difference between .NET 4.8 and .NET 8. By making a simple adjustment to the project configuration, we can ensure that the date formatting remains consistent across different versions of .NET. We hope this solution has been helpful in addressing the issue at hand. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts or any coding challenges you've encountered. Stay tuned for more tech tips and solutions. Bye for now.